If you feel a little out of sync sometimes, it could be because you just need to renew your encounter with Jesus. He wants to remove those things that clog the arteries, that clog the pipes, if you will. So he seeks us out. And that's why he gives us the sacrament of reconciliation. He just won for us the gift of salvation. But you know what? He has to apply that to our lives. And he's going to do that through the apostles, especially through the sacraments. And in a very particular way, through the sacrament of reconciliation. Jesus appears to the apostles. He breathes life on them, the breath of life, like God breathed life into Adam. That's what Jesus is doing. He's breathing life into the apostles so that they can breathe life into us through the sacraments. And he says, "As the Father sent me, so I sent you." He's saying to all the apostles, as the Father sent me to bring forgiveness of sins and reconciliation, so do I send you. Whoever sins you forgive, they are forgiven. So when we see the priest in the confessional, this is really ultimately Jesus that we're turning to. You're encountering that same Jesus that walked the streets of Galilee many centuries ago. And he went out seeking the lost. He went out and found those that were suffering. He made the deaf be able to hear again. That Jesus wants to meet you in confession. He made the blind be able to see again. That Jesus that worked miracles in those people wants to meet you in the sacrament of reconciliation. He healed those that were paralyzed and unable to walk, and they could rise and walk again. That Jesus that worked these miracles wants to meet you and work miracles in your life. The devil wants to keep you hiding something. He wants you to keep rationalizing something. And he wants to bury that weakness, that sin, deep in your soul. He doesn't want to bring it out into the light. And he'll use your fear. He'll use your worry of what other people think. He'll use all of that to keep you from an encounter with Jesus. So don't let that keep us from an encounter with Jesus. Don't be embarrassed. Don't let your fear keep you from making a good, honest confession. Don't be afraid when you approach the sacrament of reconciliation. Get to confession.